Hi guys, in my previous video I told I make a video. The topic will be how to talk long time in English, and I also shared about one apps. The app's name Open Talk. If you didn't see this video, please go to description box and at first see this video. Okay, and by these apps you are practicing every day, and I think you are facing some problem. Okay, and some problem like this, you can't start properly, and you can't talk long time in English. Okay, and you can't finish properly. So in this video I am shared how to talk long time in English and how to start properly, how to finish talk properly, and also share how to make a friends with strangers. So if you are new of my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on bell button, and if you like this video, please share with your friends and family. So let's get started. So our first thing is greeting. Greeting is very important. So the best greeting is, if you are Muslim, then you should give him salam, like assalamu alaikum. This is the best greeting. And the other so many other ways. If you don't want to use this, you can also you can use, if you are called in the morning, then you can say good morning. If you are called in the evening, then you can also tell good evening, good noon, good afternoon, like this. There is so many ways to greet it. Okay, so our first is greeting. This is very important things. So by these apps you are talking with strangers. Okay, so you don't know him. That's why, strangers means অপরিচিত, আর strange means অদ্ভুত, অবাক. Okay, so you are talk with strangers. That's why you need to start by talking your name and where do you live. Okay, so you should talk like this. Hey, good morning. My name is Jahid Hasan. I am from Bangladesh. Okay. Another way, like my name is Jahid Hasan from Bangladesh. This is very good. Okay. So this is start, and also ask him, what's your name, or what's your good name, please. So he's answered his name and where does he live. Okay, so suppose he answered his name like my name is Kamal, I am from India. Okay, or I am talking from India. So his name is, what his name? Kamal. So this is very important things. After, when you ask anything, you just ask him by call his name, Kamal. Then when you heard his name, you just ask him, hey Kamal, how are you, or how do you do? Hey Kamal, what's going on? Hey Kamal, how are you doing? Hey Kamal, what's up? There are so many ways to ask how are you. Okay, or কেমন আছো? So this is the very important things to ask how are you, and ask by call his name. Okay, so our second step is complete. So if I summarize this, like good morning, my name is Jahid Hasan. My name is Jahid Hasan, I am from Bangladesh. What's your name and where do you live, please? Or what's your name? You can ask also, like what's your name. Then he's answered, my name is Kamal, I am from India, or I am from Pakistan, I am from Japan, etc. So after that, when you listened his name, then you ask him, hey Kamal, how are you? Or how do you do? Like this. So first level is greeting, second level is start. Then you need to use some topic. You need to ask him some topic. Our topic is about app, about weakness, about profession, recent topic. You can also add so many topics, like about your country, about your house, about your job, about his father, about so many things. Okay, I am just share some technique. Okay, so about app, this is very important things. So about app, so you are talking by open talk, like app. You can talk also so many apps, so many other way. So you just ask him, how many days did you use this app? He answered. You can ask him, is this app really useful for speaking English? You can ask him, I am so weak in English. So you can ask him by his name. I forgot this. Kamal, I am so weak in English. Can you tell me how much time should I practice every day by these apps? I want to be a fluent speaker in 1 month. Can you tell me how much time should I practice every day by these apps? This is very important things. Okay. So 3 questions we learn by this topic. Okay, so you can also ask weakness, and every time if you are a beginner in English, you just start to learn English. Okay, so you also shared about your weakness. Okay, you ask him about your weakness like this. Say, Kamal, I am so weak in English. Can you tell me some tricks to improve myself very speedy? So he answered that he shared you some techniques. You can understand how to answer. Okay. You can also ask him how many grammars, or how much grammars, or what types of grammars should I learn for speaking English? How many times should I learn? Should I practice every day? So 3 questions we learn from about weakness. Okay. So you can now also ask about profession. So profession means what you doing. What are you doing? Okay. So you can ask, by the way, what's your profession, or what do you do? Kamal, what do you do? Or what's your profession? So this is very important. If he answered he's studying, most of the people are studying, student. So if he's studying, you can ask him, what are you aim in life? Okay, or what's your aim in life? So if he answered his aim in life is he wants to be a doctor, or he wants to be a web developer, he wants to be a teacher, then you ask him why you want to be a teacher. Okay, you also ask him why do you choose this profession. Okay, this is very important things. The technique, how long you are talking by this topic, how long Okay, this is very important things. So he is answered every time, and you also understand how to answer, because if he repeat your question, then you should give him the answer. Okay, you can also talk about a recent topic. So recent topic, like recent topic is coronavirus and pongopal. So coronavirus, you can ask about coronavirus. The Kamal, do you heard about coronavirus? If he heard, then you can ask him, can you tell me some symptom about coronavirus? How to prevent this? Prevent means protikar, okay? How many people already died in your country? This is very important. You can also ask him about coronavirus. Can you tell me about coronavirus? Can you tell me about pongopal? Okay? So this is very important recent topic. And sometimes what is happening, network problem. Then he doesn't hear your question, and you also don't hear his answer. Then what should you do? You can ask him, I didn't hear you. Can you tell me again? Again, or can you repeat? Sorry. At first step, sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you tell me again? Can you repeat? So this is when network problem. When network problem, then you can ask him like this. And when you're talking, you're asking technique, and everything is finished. When you don't want to talk more time, then you need to finish talking. So you can tell, hey Kamal, today is no more. I need to do something, or I need to do some work, okay, or I need to study. So should I talk another day? Then you can share with him your speaking level is very good. You are a good speaker of English, and we are talking another day if you like. So goodbye. Or you can also give him salam. So this is very easy things. You also know this, but I am just share some technique. This is the technique, okay? By this step, you can talk long time. You can make friends. You can also talk by this step to strangers, okay? So I think this video is very helpful for you, and you also enjoyed this video, okay? So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends, families, okay? Thank you so much for watching my videos.